Morning, this is your Stat Sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is an exit ticket, and we're just going to follow up on two problems that on scenario.bank. We're going to follow up on our confidence interval and our hypothesis test and kind of analyze what we have. So I'm going to go to the important part of the scenario. I'm not going to read the whole thing. It says the bank serves approximately 350,000 customers earning below 50,000. That's our group one. So P hat one, and I'm going to put that here. P1 is the less than 50K. And another group, P2, earns and 420,000 customers earning more than 50,000. So P2 is greater than 50K. So those are two groups. And we created a confidence interval to see if there was a difference in people who would use the mobile banking. So banking, based on this confidence interval, do you think the difference in proportions is statistically significant? Answer, justify your answer. Well, as part of our assignment, we calculated this interval. Well, that interval is positive. All right. And since that interval is positive, zero is not in the interval. So there is a significant difference between mobile banking usage between customers earning less than 50 and those earning over 50,000. And we could actually go further because we actually did P1 minus P2. That was the order we subtracted. Or you could argue that we did P hat 1 minus P hat 2, but we were trying to estimate this. So we did the less than 50K minus the greater than 50K. That was the order we subtracted, and we ended up with a positive number. Since it was positive, this means this is bigger and this was smaller. Since this was bigger, it was like, oh, if you earn less than 50,000, more likely to use it. So if you earn less than 50,000, you are more likely to use it than those who earned more than 50,000. And the reason you could check this out, if just make this since it was positive, if I say this was 10 people and this was 8 people, I end up with a positive number. 10 minus 8 is 2. It gives me a positive number. So the less than 50,000 had to be the bigger value. All right. The next part. At alpha equals 0.05, do the data provide convincing statistical evidence of a difference in mobile banking user groups? And the answer is yeah, we did this. This was our hypothesis. We claimed that hey, they were equal. We checked to see if there was a difference. We ended up rejecting that because we ended up with a small p-value. If we reject, the only type of error is a type 1. Remember, type 2 is failed to. So that gets rid of this and this. And remember, the only type of error, you're not guaranteed to have committed an error, so you can't say was committed. You can only say may have been committed. So our answer to this is C. All right, I appreciate you watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.